Hello, brother. Now I want to continue teaching meditation, and this one is Vipassana, and we are working with the senses. The breath awareness or the sense awareness can help you tremendously when you are having sex, and over time, when this habit is deeply embedded in your mind, you can observe your senses, you can observe your pleasure, and don't be triggered by it. Don't be a slave to your pleasure. You can still have a lot of pleasure and just stay in the observing state of mind. Okay? So previously I taught you the breath awareness, and today we will go into one step higher, which is sensual awareness. And for that, again, take a comfortable place. We'll practice for 5 minutes together. Close your eyes for being able to focus better on the other senses, because the visual sense takes majority of our attention. So closing your eyes will help you to focus on other senses. For example, the first thing happens to me is I start getting paying attention to the sounds that I'm hearing. So just focus on the sounds you are hearing. Maybe it's a laptop buzzing, it's a fridge, maybe neighbors are noisy. Just listen for a while. For example, I'm hearing some birds singing outside of my house. And some construction work going on somewhere far. Just listen to the sounds. Don't react to them. Don't label them. Don't say this is good or bad. If there's a reaction, observe the reaction too. Now let's focus on the breath awareness. Let's remember the skill. Just observe your breath. Whether it is entering your body through your nostrils, through your belly. Maybe you feel it in your chest. Just stay with it. If your mind is wandering, bring it back. Bring it back to your breath. It's okay that some thinking is going on at the back of your mind. Don't try to stop the thinking. Come back to your focus. Now we're going to work with the sensations in the body. Just observe the sensations. For example, my leg pressing the armchair that I'm sitting on, the pillow under my butt, the tension on my left knee, the warmness in my palms. Could be anything. Just Don't try to find something. Just scan your body and you'll find some sensations to observe. And just stay with the sensation. Go deep inside it. Completely focus on that sensation. If you are distracted by the thoughts and this thinking pattern is too strong, focus on the breathing. It will calm your mind. If you are distracted by the sounds around you, just listen to them. Just hear them without judgment. And come back to the breath. And when you're ready, go back to the sensation again. If there's any other feeling coming out, any other sensation taking over, that's okay. Then switch your attention to that one. Maybe there's some excitement in your belly or anger. But just put away those labels. Just observe the sensation itself, that it doesn't have a name, that it doesn't have an adjective, doesn't have a label. Stay with the sensation itself. All right, good job. That's good for today, but stay with the awareness. Just open your eyes and look around in the room. What do you see? And try to see everything as they are. Don't say, oh, this object is so beautiful. That was a gift from this special person. Doesn't matter, it's just an object. Maybe you see some dirt or garbage. That's okay. That's just what it is. And next time when you are interacting with a woman, when you're dating or approaching, just look at her as she is. Don't let her beauty or ugliness impact you. All women are beautiful and all women are ugly at the same time. All men the same. We're all human beings. We have beauty in us and ugliness in us. It's all labels. Just give away the labels and just look what you see. The skin, the eyebrows, the ears. And when you look close enough, you will see all beauty and all ugliness. It's just a point of perspective, right? And the same with our feelings. Sometimes we feel great, sometimes we feel awful. But again, these are labels that we are putting on these sensations. if you deepen this meditation, you will not react so much to these inner feelings. They will still be there. Okay, it's the same with approaching, right? You feel like, oh, there's some butterflies in your gut because you like this girl, but they will still be there, but they will not possess your mind. They will not come to the control room and start controlling your actions and behaviors. They will just stay there as sensations. You will feel them. It's actually something good. It's a good sign that you really like this person. But everything will be under control. Of course, this is, again, not a magic pill. It won't happen just immediately, just like that. But if you keep meditating every day, 5 minutes if you can, more than that, 10, 20, this will deepen in you. This perspective, this awareness will be becoming slowly your second nature. And then what you can do actually in Tantra is, when you're in sex or in masturbation, when you're having these pleasures coming to you, you feel the pleasure, you feel the sensations, and don't say, oh, such a great sensation. Oh, it's such a wonderful sensation. It's just a really good sensation. Okay, it's what it is. Okay, it's just a pleasure. It's pleasure. It's even not pleasure or pain. Pleasure and pain, they're just sensations. So you can step back from your mental routine, mental flow during sex, and pleasure will not be so much dominating you. This is going to help you a lot with addictions. This will give you a lot of freedom of choice. You know, like if you're not happy with your partner, you can end the relationship more comfortably because you are detaching yourself. And also, most importantly, it can help you with premature ejaculation, because most of the time, what is premature ejaculation? A very quick and strong reaction to the pleasure that we are having. But if you're having this connection between your penis and your mind, the pleasure is coming, but the pleasure is not manipulating you. So you can start controlling that sense, like you have been doing with the other senses. So this is something you can practice every time, every minute of the day. It doesn't have to be like sitting. Of course, it's the good time to deepen the practice, sitting every day, 5, 10, 20 minutes. If you can do it more, it's even better. But then you can practice it open eyes and when you're interacting with people. All right? I hope this has been useful, and I'll see you in the next video.